Did you know that you can enrich your notes or add information to them using the annotation features in the SCRIBZEE web app? In this video, we're going to show you how to add annotations to your notes. The annotation feature is available exclusively on the SCRIBZEE web app. When you view your annotated notes on the SCRIBZEE mobile app, you can view them with or without the annotations. Go to the SCRIBZEE web app connection page. Enter your SCRIBZEE account login and password. Open the notes that you want to add annotations to. Click on the pencil icon located just beneath the note. You can see the Annotation Toolbar to the left of the screen. You can highlight, underline, or erase your notes. You can also add text to your notes. Select the highlighter icon to highlight words or paragraphs. To change the color, select the arrow, then change the color. Select the ruler icon to draw lines, underline words, or cross them out. You can also change the color as required. Select the A icon to add text. First create a text box, then add text. Select the eraser icon to erase or hide part of your note. The toolbar also contains 4 icons to help you manage your annotations. Select the arrow to move or amend your annotations. Select the trash icon to delete an annotation. Select the arrows to undo or redo your last command. When you leave the page, your changes are automatically saved. You can view your notes with or without the annotations using the Show Annotations tick box. On the SCRIBZEE mobile app, you can view your notes with or without annotations by selecting the I icon. When you share your notes in PDF, you can share them with or without annotations. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos about SCRIBZEE, have a look at our YouTube channel.